From the above evidence and considering the exorbitant demands that the late Sharon had made to the first accused as a precondition to withholding her intention of going to the media with her story, I am persuaded to agree with the prosecution's submission that the various amounts of money conveyed from the first accused to the deceased, either through PW28 or the second accused, were not genuinely intended to promote her well-being, but were designed to contain, to manage, and to delay or to make Sharon abandon her intention to publicize her affair with the first accused as a scheme to eliminate her and to silence PW9 was being devised. The same argument applies to the first accused's promise to buy a plot and construct a 3-bedroomed house for Sharon in Homa Bay, since the promise was yet to be fulfilled by the time she met her untimely death. From the totality of the evidence adduced in this case, it is my considered view that the first accused had a very strong motive to unlawfully end Sharon's life, to ensure that his illicit affair with her was not widely publicized through the print media, in order to save himself from possible public embarrassment and reputational harm, and to safeguard his political standing. There is no doubt that the first accused would have been the ultimate beneficiary of such a plot. No, sorry, let me go read this again. There is no doubt that the first accused would have been the ultimate beneficiary of such a plot, as he was likely to suffer if the deceased actualized her threat of publishing them in the media, her story regarding their illicit love affair. In the premises, I am persuaded to agree. I'm persuaded to agree that in order to eradicate the imminent threat of having the possibility of having his name or reputation dragged through the mud by publication in the mainstream media of this relationship with Sharon, the first accused instigated a scheme to eliminate Sharon and using his influence as the governor of Migori County, he enlisted the services of his trusted aides, the second accused, who was his personal assistant, and the third accused, who worked as a clerical officer in the county government of Migori. This must be why, in my view, the first accused insisted to PW9 and to PW28 that all matters concerning Sharon's pregnancy should be directed to the second accused. And he consistently used the second accused as his intermediary with Sharon, PW9 and PW28. From the evidence, it is clear that the second accused embraced the role he had been assigned by the first accused. Because besides delivering money and other messages to Sharon, and sometimes to PW28 on behalf of the first accused. He also want or instructed PW9 and PW28 to keep off all matters related to Sharon